Good morning everyone, Graham here from Gatehouse Security, and today I want to do a little video about batteries because we're having a lot of issues with batteries at the moment for solar systems or backup, and I want to talk about the standard battery, 12 volt 9 amp hour, and here's a small one, 12 volt 5 amp hour. Both are quite common and used in systems. Now, how do we know if your battery is any good? A lot of people just get a voltmeter, like so, put it across battery here. We have 12 volts. So customer says battery's fine. Put it on this one here, shows 12 volts. Customer says battery is fine. But is it right? Is the battery actually any good at all? And there's a test that's called a load test. And we do it for car batteries. We do it for all sorts of things. So the idea of a load test is actually to put something on the battery and check the voltage while it's being used, while it's working. So I'm going to do a test today to show you what actually happens. So I've created an orange light bulb from a car, it's a 12 volt light bulb, and I'll connect one side of it to, say, this battery here on the positive terminal, and I'll put the positive terminal from my voltmeter on there. Now just check the voltage. We have 12 volts, so that's all good to go. What I can do then is use the wire from my orange light, which is a load, and put that on there. Look at that, nice and bright. The voltage has gone down by 1 volt, which means that battery is standing up really well and doing good job, and that'll be a good quality battery. Take it off, goes back to 12 volts. That's normal. Okay, now let's do this with this battery here. This is a bigger battery. It's 12 volt 9 amp hour out of a gate kit. It's fairly new. Let's check the voltage there. We have 12 volts. Okay, just the same. I get my light bulb test, my load, put it on there. Not quite so bright. Oh, look at that going down. The voltage, look at that. It's gone down to 5 volts, 4 volts, 3 volts, 2 volts. But that tested at 12 volts when I tested it. Now, what's the difference? The difference is there's something wrong in this battery with the acid, the level of liquid or something, or maybe it's a dead cell. Something is wrong in the battery. So when it's not being used, it registers as 12 volts. When you load it up with your gate motor, at the moment it's only sitting at 3 volts. That's not going to work. That's how you test a battery properly. All right. So it's not science. It's not big stuff. It's just you can do it yourself. A simple 12 volt light bulb. You can test your own batteries. So remember, it's not all about the voltage. It's about the load that it can take over a period of time. So if you have a swing gate or slide gate, it might draw 2 or 3 amps or 5 amps for 60 seconds while the gate opens and closes. That battery is only half the size of that one, but that one was fine. That will do it. This one is a fairly new battery. It's been destroyed in some way, and that won't do it, even though it says it's 12 volts. Okay, so it's a very simple test, and you can do it yourself. Great, thanks for that.